Alright, what's up guys, over this is DNK, so we have another video over here. So today, instead of doing ASMR video, I got something a little different. So I have a ransomware simulator over here. So ransomware is basically a program that actually encrypts your file, installs fake malware on your computer and encrypts your file. So that encrypts your file and asks you to pay ransom for it. And with this program, you can get a variety of ransomware patterns, and this ransom program is actually going to stimulate a ransomware patterns onto your system and see whether your antivirus can defend it or not. So with Kaspersky Antivirus over here, I'm going to see how well it does against ransom, I guess. Not vulnerable means it blocked it successfully. Vulnerable means it didn't block it, and incorrectly blocked, we have two false positive results arrival. Basically, it uses the algorithm to zip file, which a lot of program can keep as ransomware. So this result shouldn't be blocked, but if it gets blocked, it's blocked. And I believe we also have another false positive result. Okay, yeah. Simply delete this file and see if your antivirus blocked that as well. If it blocks that, it's going to have a high rate of positivity. So without that, I'm just going to run the test. Back here with the result over here, and it looks like Kaspersky did very well against it. It blocked everything, and yeah, it blocked including the false positive. So these two aren't too good. It blocked the false positive, but other than that, it's incredibly well resolved. It blocked pretty much everything. Yep, then there's nothing in the report. So yeah, without that, this is the end of the video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.